And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, some patchy fog is possible in the morning. It's not out of the question. A random, very isolated, weakening shower or thunderstorm could sneak in to our far northwestern counties after midnight tonight and right into tomorrow morning. We'll watch that. Otherwise, it's a pretty warm to hot day. It's an 88 and a humid one. More scattered storms later tomorrow evening and especially tomorrow night. 86 to 91 is going to do it for highs, with heat indices peaking at 90 to 97. There is Futurecast. Here we are. Watch this. See the storms up here? Whatever is up here, if it can hang on long enough, it would come into the northwest counties. Very isolated. You see right there, 6:30 in the morning, there's another little batch of storms too. But it will tend to weaken as it moves southeastward. But we'll see. We'll see if it can hang on long enough to get into that area. Then after that, it's kind of a lulling period. Now, I do think some scattered storms will start to move in towards tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. You see those around, and some even into Saturday morning. This is Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. Then those jet out of here and the sun starts to come out a little bit. And with that, I do think new storms may actually flare up in the afternoon and towards the evening. And right now, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a marginal risk for severe weather. It's not out of the question. There could be a little bit of an upgrade, a little bump up to slight risk. We'll keep an eye on that. Then that moves on. Then on Sunday, part of the day is absolutely fine. But some of these storms out here may try to make it in here, maybe late in the day, evening, or into the nighttime hours. And those come through. Even at midnight on Sunday night, you see some storms around, and we've got some kind of marginal risk kind of parameters with those. May see a few more storms flare up on Monday. Those push away. You get the idea. It's a pretty active weather pattern. More storm clusters through the northwest. You can see those blowing up right here. That is Tuesday morning, and more storms coming in. Look at that, Tuesday night. And then even into Wednesday, storms come in. So here's the thing. This is a very active weather pattern. At times, there will be some severe weather risk, marginal to slight for the most part. Despite all the rounds of rainfall, the key for us to say get a 3-inch rain out of this is to focus one of these right over the area. So far, we've had them north, we've had them south, and we kind of get the scattered stuff in between. We got to focus a couple of these rounds right over the area to really get the rain going. Because look at this. This is Thursday morning. 1, 2, 3 clusters of storms lined up. We get one of these focused over the area, we are going to get some healthy rain. But the trend is for above normal rainfall. You can see that right here over the next 9 days of 2 or more inches of rain. So all that said, it's an 88 tomorrow, 84 Saturday, 85 on Sunday, 83 on Monday. Still temperatures held in check. Most days are pretty humid, however, and overnight lows running in the 60s, a little drier at the end of next week.